My name is Argo Utomo. I'm the managing partner at PT Whello Indonesia Prima. We are a digital marketing agency in Indonesia. Originally, we are from the Netherlands, but we have a branch in Indonesia. We need a system where we can, give them appreciations, recognize their contribution to the company. And then we've been looking for a software that can do that. EngageWith, I think, give exactly what we need to allow everybody to, for example, give appreciation to the other company culture where people appreciate each other. We like to see that. I'm happy that the Spring works with EngageWith. They also allow our user to claim their rewards. So I think it was just perfect for us. But we're happy that we found you guys. I think before EngageWith, the recognitions only come from top down. Only their boss or their manager can give recognitions, but we would like to change that. We want them to help each other. We want them to also, create a flourished culture where they appreciate everyone in the office. It's a great positive energy within the company. It's also for them where they feel valued, appreciated. It's also give them a positive vibe with EngageWith. We can see that when you appreciate someone, because it's through the Slack system, they make sure that the top also knows what's going on. So you give them a valid value for their recognitions that come from their peers or people that they help. I think that's the main goal of how I see the value that using EngageWith.